Hey folks, this is Joshua from Burning Chair Cigar Reviews. Today I bring you another lighter. This is Peilvdin. I believe I'm pronouncing that correctly. Just a little quick unboxing and overview. When I first got this lighter, as you can see, it's got a little sleeve and this nice little dress box actually. There's the lighter in the box itself. It's definitely got some heft to it. It's very heavy in the hand. You could almost consider this a table lighter. As you can see in the box, it also comes with flame adjustment tool and a bleeder. I still need to get a keychain for that. And as always, good old instruction manuals on how to light it, fill it, and use the cigar wrist and such like that. Let's get down to the basic features here. As I said, it does have a rest feature for your cigar, so if you set it down, it's not going to just, roll off or go somewhere. It has a built-in V-cut, which is a fairly deep V. I was actually surprised. I tried this out the other night on a 7x70, and this is a 7x58. It's pretty effortless. Usually a lot of times these V-cuts, you got to really put some weight behind it. But it's good and sharp. I mean, as you can see, it provided a really deep cut. And of course, the trimmings just come out the back. You also have a draw tool on here as well, in case you get plugged. Along with that, you have a cigar punch to go along with that. My attorney actually tried that last night, and that damn thing's sharp. Good, powerful triple jet. Definitely gets the job done. I like it. As I said, it does have some heft to it, so you're not going to forget that you didn't put it in your pocket. Overall, it's nice. And that name again is Peilvdin. Here's the logo and everything. I'll be posting a link for it in the Amazon, or for Amazon. I'll be posting it in the comment section. You folks have a wonderful day. Enjoy. And always stay smoky, my friends.